Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to my kitchen. This is something that I showed you all many videos ago. And I've come up with something new concerning it that I think you all will like better. So anyway, way back when, I showed you how to preserve lemons without salt. And what you do is you just take your lemons, your bag of lemons or one lemon, whatever, how you buy them, and you wash them. And then you put them whole in the freezer. And these will last months and months and months. And then when you get ready to use it, you thaw it just a little bit in the microwave if you want to zest it. And if you want to use the whole lemon, you just thaw it out in there and cut it in half, and it'll be so juicy you can hardly contain all the juice. And it's really a good way to keep lemons without using all of that salt. They say you can't taste it. I don't believe it, and it's just too much trouble. So that is the first way. The second way is to take the lemon after you've washed your lemons, and you don't have to do all of them this way. You can freeze some whole if you like. This one was frozen whole. And the stem end, which will be a little green spot, you know, there's a little pointed end on there. That's not it. Take the stem end and slice it off, and then put it in the freezer. And it'll stay a long time. Well, when you get ready to here's one I've already done that's frozen. You need some lemon zest. You take your box grater and you use the holes, the larger holes on one side. And I'll try to do this right-handed, but I don't know that I can. And you just start grating it. I can't do it very well with my right hand. You get oh God, that smells good. You get the idea, don't look already how much is there. Let me turn it around and do it with my left hand. Remember, your lemon is clean. You need some zest. And you're going to get a little bit of lemon, and you're going to get just a little bit of that pith, but not enough to make any difference. And then, when you've used all you're going to need of this, and there it is. I'll get a close-up of it. You just take the rest of your lemon and put it back in the bag and put it back in the freezer till next time you want to use it. So that is my new tip. Now I'm going to use this in a cake I'm going to make later, and I'll have a video of that. So thank you for coming back into my kitchen. I appreciate it each and every time. Give me a thumbs up. A like if you like this video, if you like my videos or my channel, and share the recipe if you want to. I'd love that. Thank you for coming in, and until next time, you take care and God bless. Let me give you a close-up of that, see what it looks like. It's fine enough to use anywhere. God bless you.